Hi everyone, Amanda Jane here, and this is the second lesson in the beginner crochet series. We're going to learn the single crochet today, and building on our slip knot and chain stitch tutorial, we're going to start by repeating that. So we're going to make a slip knot round your first two fingers, make a loop, tuck a loop underneath and pull. Insert your hook. We're going to start off with a chain. Make sure the little loop on the crochet hook can slide up and down easily. Then we're going to take our index finger, pop it under the working yarn, thumb and second finger just under the knot, and then the working yarn is going to slide under these two fingers here. We're going to make a chain of 11. Holding your crochet hook like a knife, we're going to do yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over 6, yarn over 7, yarn over 8, yarn over 9, yarn over 10, yarn over 11. So we have 11 little stitches, little chains on from our hook down to the knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This does not count as a stitch or a chain. We're going to learn a single crochet, which is a really useful stitch. Now what I want you to understand is that these little chain stitches are made up of these. And in many cases, what we need to do is to learn to put our crochet hook so that we see 2 strands of yarn. There are lots of different ways of inserting a hook into a chain. We can go through the top, which is 1. We can go through the V, which gives us 2 strands on our hook, or indeed we can go through the back bump. If you turn your chain over slightly, you can feel ridges and there are back bumps. Today we're going to learn how to do the single crochet just in a very straightforward way, going into the V, and we're going to have 2 strands on our hook. So let's start and it will become obvious. We're going to skip, for this example, this first stitch. That first stitch will go up the side of our work. So we're going into the second stitch from the hook. Just there, 1, 2. And we're going to put our crochet hook into that V, like so. I need to just use your fingers to allow you to push it through. We're going to do yarn over, pull that loop through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, and to finish the stitch we do yarn over and pull through both of those. Try not to crochet too tightly. So let's do that again. Find the V, the next V, insert your hook so you have 2 loops, 2 strands of yarn there and 1 loop here. Yarn over, pull through your working yarn so you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. That's our second single crochet. We're going to insert our hook again into the V, 2 strands here and 1 loop there, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Find your V, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And keep going in the same way right to the end of the row. You can slow down this video even more. If you go to the little cog icon, you can select playback speed and make it slower, or you can make it faster if you've already got the hang of this. The first row in crochet is always the most difficult. Now you can see I just got ahead of myself and I undid it. It was very easy just to undo. If your hands start to ache, stop and have a rest. Now the last stitch is always pretty tricky to do, so you might just have to fiddle with it to get this crochet hook to go into the correct place. Failing getting 2 strands, don't worry, just put your hook in where you can. It's not rocket science. It's not going to make a difference to your work. Okay, so we've reached the end of the row now, and we can count our stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because our 11th stitch was used to come up the side. Now we've got to do the next row, so we're going to do a single chain. Remember how we hold the work, like so. Yarn over, single chain, turn your work to the left. Now that's just my way of doing it. Now we've got lots of options, and I'm going to show you a really simple way of doing the next row. We have 10 stitches. Let's work from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to go in between this arch and this arch, like so. So we're still capturing 2 strands when we put our hook through. Show you that again. We're going to insert our hook here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert the hook here. It gets much easier because there's no resistance when you get to this point. Insert your hook, 2 strands. Might need to turn your work slightly towards yourself just to check that you've got the 2 strands. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. So we've nearly reached the end of our second row, and you can go on and practice maybe making a little square. Insert your hook into the last stitch, always the most tricky. Now do a single chain, turn your work, and we're on row 3. Thank you so much for watching how to do a single crochet sample. Enjoy learning how to crochet and check back for lesson 3. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye.